Hi everyone! Today's video is all about putting a vitamin C mask through my hair because I have lots of really great fun colours that I love to put through my hair, but I like to strip it just as close to blonde as I can get before I pop the new colour through. So what we're going to do today is put together the vitamin C mask to try and bring out as much of the temporary pink and purple that you can see in my hair and bring it back to this kind of blondie bits that are more at the bottoms here and at the front. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So to start with, I'm going to use the vitamin C raspberry tablets, which are just the ones that I had on hand. These are not powder and they're quite old actually, so it's going to take quite a lot to break them up and get them into that nice powder that we can mix into the shampoo. So method one is you can crush the vitamin C tablets using a spoon or put them in a bag and bash them with a rolling pin or a hammer or something. You just want to get them to a really fine consistency. Method two is you can blend them. So I'm just going to collect all of the vitamin C tablets and pop them in the littlest blender cup that I have from my Magic Bullet, and I'm going to use this flat blade for that, and then I'm just going to blitz it for about 30 seconds to a minute.
And I didn't keep in touch. We didn't. They were playing along.
When it comes back, you'll be able to see that it's almost perfectly fine. You may find that there are still some lumps in here, but they'll be very easy to pick out. Okay, now it's time for us to start mixing in our second ingredients. So now we're going to add shampoo. I'm going to use two different types today, one of them being the Blonde and Bright Lightning Shampoo by Schwarzkopf. This is really great, it's got lemon juice and stuff in it, so I'm hoping that that will help with the lightening properties. The second shampoo I'm going to use today is the Selsun Blue Anti-Dandruff. As we all know, the anti-dandruff shampoo does great things to pull temporary colour out. After that, to minimize damage, we're going to add conditioner and coconut oil. The conditioner I'm using today is a silicone nat hair mask. I'm not a huge fan of this one, so I'm just going to scoop a couple big chunks out and pop that in. Mix it all together until I'm happy with the consistency and the amount of the mix as well. I don't really want to run out halfway through because I've got really thick hair, so it takes quite a lot of product. Then we're going to add our virgin coconut oil. Ideally you'd add quite a large amount of this, however this was the end of my jar, so this was all that I could add. Alright, and once you've reached the consistency you like, then we're just going to start applying. Quick before picture, so you can see that my hair is quite pink and purple, especially underneath with some orangey bits on the bottom. There's not much I can do about the orange, unfortunately. Alright, so first of all, make sure you have your gloves, get your hair sectioned out so that it's easier to manage, and then just start applying it in there. Try to make sure that you saturate each section of your hair fully, so that the more contact it has, the more color it will pull out each time. And just work through section by section until you've covered all the hair and you've used up all the product. I'm not going all the way to the root because I've got quite a lot of regrowth, as I'm sure you can see, and I really only need to pull out the purpley pink color from the bottom of my hair.
Many a long night has been spent chasing shadows, cast in the mind by the ghost of your first flame. talking about.
Alright, so, sorry, it's a bit late. Things got carried away last night, so I couldn't show you how the vitamin C shampoo went, but this is the result. So it's definitely lighter, but it's not completely gone. But I think we're getting to the point where now when I'm ready to diet again later, I've got mostly a blank canvas. It's really pink still, but then these bits here at the front are really blonde. So hopefully you can see some difference between the before and after. Alright, but that was my vitamin C hair treatment, so I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time I have a video.